Paper leak in Bharat. Who is accountable? Namaskar. Before I speak, just close your eyes for a second and imagine that you are a student and you studied hard for a year and your mother skipped her medicine to pay your fees and your father says that beta bas is bar. But the next morning you heard that the paper got cancelled. And the reason behind it is paper leaked. Tell me who will return your ear? Tell me who will return that trust? No one can. And 25 लाख में सिर्फ एक पेपर नहीं बिका. 25 लाख में सिर्फ एक पेपर नहीं बिका. 25 लाख में पूरी लाखों लोगों का फ्यूचर, लाखों लोगों की जिंदगी बिक गई. 25 लाख में एक कागज नहीं, लाखों लोगों की जिंदगी बिक गई. We can't blame only one person. I think that there are 3 faces behind it. First, the system. The hands who have responsibility to make the paper. The hands who have responsibility to protect the paper. But one greedy hand, one phone call and the future of lakhs has been sold out. Dushant Kumar said that हो गई है पर्वत सी पिघलानी चाहिए, हो गई है पर्वत सी पिघलानी चाहिए, इस हिमालय से बहती गंगा निकालनी चाहिए, इस हिमालय से बहती गंगा निकालनी चाहिए. The Ganga means honesty and it will flow when the punishment will so hard. Because when the punishment will so hard, the next person who will try to sell the paper, he think not 1,000, he will think million of time to sell the paper. That punishment is so hard to face. And the second, I think that the second who is responsible is us, the society. Because someone is ready to buy the paper and in any price. He had given 25 lakhs, but he can buy in any price. And if I give you a chance to buy a paper before your exam, you will definitely buy the paper and accept my deal in any price. And the third, I think that it is government. Because conducting exam is very easy, but managing it properly is very hard. And when a child say that पढ़ाई करके क्या मिलेगा, पढ़ाई करके क्या मिलेगा जब सीट ही बिक रही है. This question is said by a child who has no knowledge about this, but this question is like a bomb. And my friend, paper leak is not just a घोटाला, it is हत्या, हत्या and हत्या. हत्या of hope, हत्या of merit and हत्या of Bharat's future. Now, I will give my opinion and I also want to say something from NTA. That NTA, you say, you warn every student before exam that it is not your school exam. We are 10 steps ahead. But our school exam do not leaks. And NTA always wants that a student should be fair, but in return they give the wrong method to conduct the exam. And now I want to say to the person who bought paper in 25 lakhs and 16 lakhs and 18 lakhs, please listen carefully. That नकल से मिली कामयाबी हार से भी बदतर होती है. नकल से मिली कामयाबी हार से भी बदतर होती है. जय हिंद, जय भारत. थैंक यू.